Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ASOMST decorative cracked glass ball solar lights. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The ASOMST solar lights come in a convenient 2-pack and are designed to enhance the beauty of your outdoor spaces. With their unique cracked glass design, these solar globe lights create a stunning visual effect. The textured glass allows a warm, inviting glow to shine through, casting unique and fascinating shadows on your patio, lawn, or garden. One of the standout features of these solar lights is their large diameter of 4.88 inches. This size not only contributes to a larger lighting range but also makes these lights an eye-catching addition to your outdoor decor. The warm white illumination they provide creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for those evenings spent outdoors with family and friends. Another key feature is the built-in auto on-off sensor, which adds to the convenience of these lights. They automatically detect the brightness of their surroundings, turning on at dusk and off at dawn. Once fully charged, after about 8 to 9 hours in direct sunlight, they can illuminate your space for 9 to 12 hours, ensuring your garden remains beautifully lit throughout the night. The ASOMST solar lights are also designed with durability in mind. They feature a large solar panel and a 600 mAh rechargeable battery, which allows for effective sunlight absorption and extended lighting duration. Plus, the thickened glass construction significantly reduces the risk of breakage, making these lights suitable for year-round outdoor use. Weather resistance is another important factor, especially if you live in an area that experiences various weather conditions. These solar lights come with an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring they can withstand rain, snow, and other extreme conditions. The thoughtful design includes a water outlet to prevent water accumulation on the solar panel, maintaining optimal performance regardless of the weather. Installation is a breeze with the ASOMST solar lights, as they offer 2 versatile installation methods. You can either lay them on a platform or insert them into the ground using the provided stake. This flexibility makes them perfect for a variety of outdoor settings, whether you want to light up a garden path, enhance your patio ambience, or simply add a decorative touch to your lawn. Who are these lights suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys spending time outdoors and wants to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, these solar lights are an excellent choice. They're perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their garden or yard, as well as for anyone hosting outdoor gatherings or events. In terms of practical use cases, imagine lighting up your pathway during a summer evening barbecue or adding a touch of elegance to your patio during a cozy dinner under the stars. These lights can easily transform any outdoor space into a magical retreat, making them a wonderful addition to your home decor. In summary, the ASOMST decorative cracked glass ball solar lights offer a perfect blend of beauty, convenience, and durability. Their unique design and user-friendly features make them an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor environment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.